Abija, nyinga en George Bati dadi kulu tsunami mechigni. Komiti mar od bura mochung' ne weche mag budget onyiso bwok margi bang' yango ni piny Kenya oselogo pemayo siling trilion 10.5 kwano omuom ma gikoni osekalo kiewo. Kata kamano gikoni en midhiero ne nyaka sani bede migepe mopogore opogore ma pacho ka pod bandho piny owacho omwenda maromo chiegni siling bilion 16 mosepuodhi kendo nego bedni osechwal ne bede migepego. Jafwambo marwa Joja Oko miyowa lipodni.
Jaga budget mapacho ka Laktar Margaret Nyakango ne ochopo e nyim kamati mar od bura mochung' ne weche mag budget kendo chiwo ler ewi kaka piny owacho mamalo kaachiel kod mago mag counties osebedo katayo chenro magi mag omenda. Achiel kuom gigo mane okelo buok ne jokanyono mag kamatino en yango ni piny Kenya sani oseolo omuom mathoth mokalo kaka chik dwaro.
Our debt as of 30th June was 10.25 trillion, which is over the legal state.
If this is the position, Chair, I think we need to ask or invite Treasury almost immediately, CS Treasury, to come and give us details around this public debt.
At 1.15, the most recent, you're telling us for 2022, 2023, at 1.5 trillion, how much more money do we have left for development expenditure? So it is time, Budget Committee, we have to come up, give a way for austerity measures.
Enyim kamati no mane obagoro mwe county ma Mombasa, jaga budget no ne bende okone nyaka sani, bede migepe mopogore pacho ka bandho piny owacho omuom ma hao shillings bilion 16 mosepuodhi mondo mi ochiw negi, to kata kamano ma pok otimore ni marikoni piny owacho onge kod omuom.
They have gone to the Treasury, they have justified why they need Article 223, but no money to give them. So you can see all of them. Control of State House, 400 million, approved but not presented for funding. Just short of 16 billion, approved but no cash.
En gino ma jokanyono ma kamatino kordwani okawe okang' mapiyo mar reso piny Kenya kapok onimo e igope.
When I see approval to buy a car for a cabinet minister, I ask myself, what is really emergency in terms of that matter?
And I'm asking especially on the ruling side in this house. Let us forget about just crying, this is our government, this is our... When people are suffering.
Government has really spent, but in real sense, there was no feeling in the economy, because once the government spent, we are supposed to see some activities within the economy.
The expenditure of this country needs Raila, but we are telling him not to talk. Maraia wache watu waende njaa.
Ngur makamano bendi koni nitiere 10 counties mathoth mapacho ka mapoko chiwo ler makare ewi kaka gitiyo go omuom magichoko. Achiel kuom ranyisi en omuom marakore gi midhieche mikoni thoth counties okosebedo katiyogo kendo dhi mana e ofuke jomanok.
The counties, we do have a percentage of the money allocated to the counties that's supposed to be used for disaster management. Less, Madam Chair, we know very well that you are the one in control of these monies and that counties are supposed to use this to mitigate disasters. We are now facing a new disaster of El Nino and it's just around the corner. Yet most of these counties do not use. The disaster management percentage money is not used to go to the pockets. What they do is they use emergency money to pretend that it is for disaster.
Achiel kuom paro mane jaga budget ochiwo mar rakore gi gope mantiere en rango kaka inyal med choko osuru kuom jopiny, gino mamoko kuom jood bura ne jowuok godo tung' mosuo.
Now, if we are talking again about taxes, that is not a solution. We must find one of the solutions, and one of the solutions that we are not talking about, which is that the elephant in the room, is governance issues. Corruption. Corruption is overwhelming us as a country, and we must seal those issues.
However, some of the issues we have noted is that our public debt may seem to increase, and especially when you look at the mix of the foreign debt. And what I would request the Office of the Controller of Budget to also do in the next quarter is that even as we look at the issue of debt, we look at it also in the perspective of the exchange rate.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.